Banyana Banyana coach Josiah Ellis has included Janine Van Vyk in her final squad for the Women's African Cup of Nations qualifiers, which will restore her dream of breaking Africa's all-time record for the most capped player. South Africa will play Burkina Faso later this month in Ivory Coast before hosting them at the Lucas Moriba Stadium on December 4. Van Vyk, who's 36 years old, announced her retirement early this year but made a U-turn as she was called up to surpass the long-standing record of 184 caps set by former Egyptian midfielder Ahmed Hassan. The former Banyana Banyana captain currently sits on 183 caps and only requires 2 games to eclipse the record. Announcing her 24-member squad at the Safa House in Nasrec, south of Johannesburg on Thursday, Ellis emphasized the importance of breaking the record, saying it will mean a great deal for Safa and women's football on the continent, and said, "We will do our utmost best to get her those 2 caps. It will not only be the record for her, but the record for women's football in the country, on the continent, and for Safa as well." Yes, she was at the previous camp against DRC and did not play. I was asked whether there will be another opportunity, and I say, now here is the opportunity. Recently, Safa and Ellis were at loggerheads over the Van Vyk debacle that ensued after the Olympic qualifier against DR Congo in Kinshasa, where she furiously left the camp and pulled out of the team for the second leg. However, Ellis said that the matter was dealt with internally with the player and will give it at one last go in her quest to break the record. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.